In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change display name in Outlook. If you've ever sent an email and noticed the name that shows up isn't quite right, this quick walkthrough will help you fix it. We'll do this entirely in your web browser because Outlook pulls your display name from your Microsoft account profile, and that's the most reliable place to update it. Start by opening Outlook in your web browser and signing in. This is the Outlook on the web, not the desktop app. Once you're in your mailbox, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture or your initials in a small circle. Click that to open your account menu. From the menu that appears, choose the option that takes you to your account settings. Depending on your layout, it may say My Microsoft Account or My Profile. Both lead you to the same place where your name and profile details live, so pick whichever one you see. You'll be taken to your Microsoft account page. On the left side, find the section labeled Your Info. This is where your personal details are stored and managed across Microsoft services. Click Your Info, then look for the full name area. Right next to it, you should see an Edit Name link. Click Edit Name to open the name editor. Now enter the new name you want to appear when you send emails from Outlook. You can adjust your first and last name here. Keep it professional if you use this account for work, and double-check spelling and capitalization so it looks exactly how you want it to appear to recipients. Some accounts will prompt you to complete a quick verification, like entering a code or solving a simple challenge, just to confirm the change. Follow any prompts you see on screen. When you're done, click Save. That's it, your display name has been updated. This change usually syncs across Outlook and other Microsoft services, such as OneDrive and Teams, because they share the same profile. It may not switch instantly everywhere, so give it a little time to propagate. In most cases you'll see the new name within a few minutes, but in some environments it can take longer. A quick note for those using a work or school account: if the edit name option is missing or grayed out, your organization may manage names centrally. In that case, you'll need to reach out to your IT administrator to request the change. And that's how to change your display name in Outlook on the web. Thanks for watching.